Alright, so we're going to put in her new crown. Number 9 had an implant placed, but there's no papilla, and then we trained the gums to kind of come back down. We're gonna trade out her old one, which I think, it was too dark. So we have a new one made, and we're gonna screw it in. Now, take the Strawman driver. Screw it in and tighten. Beautiful contours, no more darkness. Gums will heal. And there you go.
My two shade tabs comparison, which is the 100% dentist been using VITA shade tab, but the live patients here never match. That's the issue. So that's why the patients here, which is so glad I see my shade guide. So it looks like the gray tone, and then I can find out with a specific color in between the hour range. Then I can show you this one too. Well, the issue is the A1 is look like, but it's not. You see the gray line, the gray translucency, and the other B1, now the C1 basis. Even worse if I using the 3D shade guide, they're never going to matching it. So my goal is I'm trying to matching the shade as close as possible. C1, B1, but you can see my shade guide tab here. You can see that one is pretty much close, and I like the even better this CV5. Then give them a little bit more distance. Yes, higher. Yes. Can you tell? And close to. Right. So in between the YS1. Alright, let me show you the other one. This is more interesting. So YS3, you see the whitish color? So that one I can mix with between two teeth with the zirconia basis. Now finish the two lateral. You see CB3, and then a little bit more warm stain in between the color, and then with the translucency. So here's the things. I don't want to make the shiny. What I really like here already there. Everything's done. Only thing I can take care about the Jingjiba 1/3 with the A color like this, right? And then I can match with this like here. Sense? It's a very challenging case with the composite, the facial, Jingjiba 1/3 with the pink, the gray, here's a composite, YS1, Incisional mamelon. Can you put some saliva? Thank you. Color is different, more wide open. Alright, so this is our recipe, which is you never find it in VITA and the 3D color. You have to check the contact and bite, especially contact. You have a little bit low refraction, kind of a little flat here. And then make the convex this area. So just grind it. Also here. And ready to staining. Okay, 3 different things. Put a little pink, dark stain, and then here's a gray, kind of light blue stain. Major, distal, and then here's this kind of little bit B colors and membrane together. Just create it now. Just make sure I have to bake with the low temperature. Cervical has a little bit pinkish in overlay with the enamel, and then translucency with the halo.